Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. Last week we unboxed a very dirty, junky Type 56 SKS. So we got a chance to shoot it and the results are back. Let's take a look at that footage. So there you have it, a Type 56 that was resurrected from the dead, from the cosmoline, from the gunk. It still functioned fine. It had no major rust issues, no major pitting, nothing that would compromise the integrity of the rifle itself at the range. A lot of these you could still pick up and they will be amazing shooters. Now some people suggested that I just leave it as it is, all junky looking. Other people suggested if I'm going to fix it up and make it nice, I might as well do the whole rifle. Not just the wood, not just the metal, but everything in between. These are highly sought after also because they can be modified to fit your desired needs. So yes, it's a pretty new channel, and make sure you check out some of my other videos and pulverize the like button and subscribe. It'll really help out with the algorithm. Thanks. And also we do have Instagram where we post daily.